Dear friends, today we will discuss question number 10, exercise 1.2. Question is, medicine is packed in boxes each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? Right? Now the total weight van can carry, right? Now this is the solution of the problem. Now you see, medicine is packed in boxes each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. Now the total weight van can carry. Total weight we will stock this one. Now again, total weight van can carry is equal to how many? 800 kg. And we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Therefore, we convert this 800 kg into gram, that is 800 into 1000 gram. Therefore, we are getting 8, how many zeros? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We put the commas after 3 digits and after 2 digits, that is 8 lakh gram. Now, each weighing 4 kg 500. That means weight of one box, that is weight of one box is equal to 4 kg 500 gram. 4 kg 500 gram. We convert this into gram. 4 kg means 4 into 1000 plus 500 gram. That means 4000 plus 500, that is 4500 gram. 4500 gram, right? Now the total weight van can carry, it is 8 lakh gram, and weight of one box is 4500 gram. Now number of box, that means if we take let the number of boxes, let the number of boxes be n. Therefore, here you see, there is the weight of one box is 4500. Therefore, the answer will be, according to the question, how many boxes? That means 4, 5, 0, 0 into n is equal to 8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That means 4, 5, 0, 0 n equal to 8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That means therefore n is equal to, n is equal to 8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 divided by 4, 5, 0, 0. Now we divide this one. You cut 1 0, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now we are cutting this number by 5, that is 5, 9 is 45. We divide this number by 5, 5 is 5, 30, 5 6 is 30, and 0, 0. Can we divide this one again? Yes. Now we will divide 1600 divided by 9, right? Now we are dividing here 1600, divide this number by 9. Now 9 1 is 9 minus 9, 7, and here there will be 0, 7 9 is 63, 63, again this is minus, again 7, and this 0, again 7 9 is 63, 63. If we minus subtract it, there will be 7. That means 7 gram will be left. And how many boxes are there? There are 177 boxes, right? How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? Therefore, the answer will be, therefore number of boxes the van, number of boxes is equal to 177. This is the answer. And this is the remainder, that is number 7 is the remainder, that means 7 gram will be left. Again, once again I am repeating the same, that is medicine is packed in boxes each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? That means we have to change this kilogram into gram. Total weight van can carry is 800 kg. We know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Therefore 800 into 1000, that is 8 lakh gram. And weight of one box is 4 kg 500 gram. We are again changing this into gram, that is 4 kg means 4000 gram plus 500 gram, that is 4500 gram. And let the number of box be n. Therefore, according to the question, 4500n is equal to 8 lakh. N equal to 8 lakh by 4500. If you divide it, we will get 177. Therefore, the number of boxes the van can carry is 177, but there is one thing, that 7 gram medicine will be left, right? Because this is the remainder 7, that means 7 gram medicine will be left, and the number of boxes will be 177. This is the solution of question number 10.